Fresh 14 for Camsur. Magpantay, handoff. Almario sees an open lane. The floater is short. Battle for the rebound. And Camsur again with offensive rebound. Another chance for Camsur to extend the lead. 5 on the shot clock. Borbe has it. 2 to shoot. Borbe from the outside. And the rebound by Ganya. And there's a push. And it's going to be 2 free throws, I believe. Camsur with a foul.
Foul number 7, Meghan Ariete, penalty.
The foul is on Ariete. And that will send Tikas to the line. Watch the play. Borbe with a 3 with a shot clock winding down. And then look at Ganya. And then Ariete with a push. This will send Ganya to the line. And looks like Ganya will take a free 3. This is a free 3. If he scores this one, it is going to be a tied ball game. And we have seen Ganya hit his free 3s. Crucial call here. Ganya will opt for a free 3 to tie the ball game up. Ganya, free 3 is good! We are tied. Camsur looking to answer. Magpantay has it. Crosses the timeline. He falls down. But there's a foul. There's going to be a foul on Tikas.
Jasper Manalang is second foul.
Foul on Jasper Manalang. Watch this free 3. A brave free 3 by CJ Ganya, the former NBL MVP. And you can hear the chance of defense coming from this Pampanga crowd. Ariete has it. Guarded by Manalang. 10 on the shot clock. They go to Abonete. Pass. Almario wide open. For free! Camsur with a huge one. As Jerome Almario knocks down a 3 to break the tie. Can looking to answer. No go. And Abonete with a rebound. Camsur has it. Here's Ariete. Double teamed. Ariete, 8-second violation. Turnover for Camsur with 60 seconds left. Look at this play. The last second pass by Abonete and Almario, who again did not play in the game in game 4, knocking down that tray. But Tikas with the ball. 3-point lead for the Express. Tikas can still tie this game with a 3. And Magpantay with a steal. The forward pass taken right back by Victoria. This is for the tie. Too strong. And Borbe with the rebound. And a turnover. A turnover for Tikas. They will review. 45.9 seconds remaining. Coach Momomoto on your screen in search of his first crown here in the NBL. Camsur has not won the NBL title since the start of this league when it was born in 2018. And Camsur, one of the pioneer teams, can win the championship if they can hang on to the lead. But Tikas still a lot of time on the clock. Camsur on your screen. 45.9 seconds. They are reviewing that call. They are reviewing that last out-of-bounds play. It is going to be Tikas ball. Tikas ball with 45.9 seconds. So we will have 14 on the shot clock. Tikas will inbound it. across their bench. As we watch that slow-mo, the battle for that ball, Borbe had it. And then that pass, and based from that, no one touched it from the side of Tikas.
10 seconds on a shot clock.
3-point lead by Kamsur. Manalang will inbound with 45 seconds. The ball goes to Bragais. Bragais one-on-one against Almario. Bragais still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound. The tip won't work. Kamsur has it. And there is going to be a foul on Tikas with 33 seconds remaining.
Foul number 18, Renzo Victoria, penalty, big foul.
Foul on Renzo Victoria as we watch the fadeaway. That was a tough three by Genmar Bragais, and then the crucial rebound by Ariate. And now Ariate have a chance to increase this lead. 33.7 seconds. Ariate first free throw, it goes in. Kamsur now has a 4-point lead. Ariate, the second free throw, no go. And Bragais secures the rebound. Tikas still has a chance. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Can for three. Lancer Can. The lead is down to 1 with 24 seconds left. And Kamsur has called for this timeout. Tikas still very much alive here in Game 5. Lancer Can with that brave attempt from the right wing. Watch it again. Bragais with the ball and then dishing it out to Lancer Can. Contested three and he knocks that one home. And Tikas still very much alive here in Game 5. Look at this three. Contested three by Verman. Magpantay but Can finding a way to knock it down. And we have a ball game once again. 1-point lead by Kamsur. They have the ball with 24.2 seconds. There's going to be 0.2 differential between the clocks. And that is if Kamsur opts to inbound at the backcourt. Now, if Kamsur chooses to inbound it at the half-court line, it's going to be 14 seconds. There's going to be a difference between the clocks. Tikas can actually choose not to foul in this possession if Kamsur inbounds it at the half court, as we see the fans. As we first watch this, Lancer Can, look at his numbers, 14 points, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Lancer Can looking to give Tikas this championship despite trailing. Can had that huge three to cut the lead to 1, and they will inbound it at the backcourt, so it's going to be 24 seconds on the shot clock. So Tikas has to foul here. Almario the inbounder, passes it to Ariate. Ariate escapes the defense, bounce pass, Sablaon, Abonete, no foul. They go to the corner, Magpantay. Brock winding down, Almario still has the ball. Coach Jepchan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with 7 seconds left. Coach Jepchan visibly frustrated with what happened there. Clock winded down.
The penalty, big foul on Lancer Can.
And now there's going to be 2 shots for Kamsur. Watch it again. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Can with 7.5 seconds Still a lot of time, but again, the frustration on the face of Jeff Chan. He wanted the foul earlier. And now Almario, again, he did not play in game 4.
Jerome Almario.
But now looks like he is going to be a hero for Kamsur if he knocks down these free throws. No good in the first. 7.5 seconds. Tika still has a timeout. Again, 7.5 on the clock. Almario looking to make it a 2-point game. Almario hearing it from this crowd. He knocks it down. And Coach Jeff Chan has requested for a timeout with 7.5 seconds left. Could be the last possession of our conference. Seconds again. Tika. And again, a look at the fans from the Kamsur side in support of their team. And again, Kamsur has not won an NBL crown since being part of the league in 2018. Tika's fans praying for their team to score one more time here in the fourth quarter. And again, the fans have come out to support their team. Definitely expecting a championship here, but Kamsur really fighting their way. And again, Kamsur, they need one last stop here. And again, Kamsur with an 84-82 lead thanks to Jerome Almario. A heroic effort for Jerome Almario. 16 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals, including that clutch 3 in the final seconds of this Game 5 to give them the lead. But this game is not yet over. Tikas can go for the 2, but definitely, if there's a wide open man from threes, they can definitely take a 3-point shot and win it outright. Bragais will inbound it in front of their bench. Shot clock is off. 7.5 on the clock. Bragais the inbounder. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Bragais still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Bragais throws it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion. The Express have won it on the road.
18-4, the 2025 season President's Cup champions, Kamsur Express.
Again, for the first time ever here in the NBL, since being one of the pioneer teams in 2018, the Kamsur Express have finally won it all. Kamsur Express, the champions. Coach Momomoto congratulating their opponents, Genmar Bragais, in tears. And there's a lot of tears of joy on the side of the Kamsur Express. Ma'am Aya Gomez consoling his players. And on the other side, Kamsur celebrating this hard-earned championship. What a road for the Kamsur Express. Jerome Almario with that huge 3-point shot. As the confetti has fallen here, and again, we have to emphasize this. This is the first championship of the Camsur Express here in the NBL. Since being one of the pioneer teams after the league was founded in 2018. A lot of heartbreaks for the Camsur Express over those years. And finally, after 8 years, the Camsur Express are your champions of the NBL. And again, it looked like the Express were destined to win this championship. Again, they were down 1-0 in the series against the multiple champions, the Taguig Generals, in that semifinal series. But they found a way to win that series thanks to that heroic 3-point shot by Medwin Ariate. And then come this final series. And again, it looked like destiny was on the side of Camsur. In game 2, it was Sablaon knocking down that buzzer-beating 3 to tie the series. And then it looked like Camsur was again on the ropes when Tikas won game 3. But Camsur once again found a way to tie the series, winning game 4 in overtime. And then here in game 5, it was John Abonete and the rest of the Camsur Express coming up big in the clutch to win this finals of the President's Cup. Look at Coach Momomoto in tears. In tears, that's Coach Momomoto claiming his first ever NBL crown. What a road for him. He was a champion coach in the youth level, in the regional level, and now on the national stage. Coach Momomoto, a champion coach here in the National Basketball League. And again, a lot of tears of joy on the part of the Camsur Express. And finally, they have tasted victory here in our homegrown league, the Camsur Express, winning this President's Cup crown. And again, what a start actually for Camsur Express in this game 5. They actually started with an 18-5 lead, but Tikas, with their championship forte, was able to come back. And then watch the final play of the President's Cup. Bragais, and then could be the championship here for Can, but that was too strong. Bragais, the desperate follow-up, nothing but air. And then the celebration by the Camsur Express. Players, coaches, fans jumping for joy as Camsur has won the NBL President's Cup with this final score of 84-82. Jerome Almario on your screen. Definitely a brave fight by Jerome Almario. Again, he did not play in game 4 due to an injury. But in this important game 5, he chose to play and it paid dividends. Almario with some clutch shots. Also played well on defense. And Jerome Almario again, the hero of this game 5. And again, a long wait ends for Camsur with this championship. Almario, some of the holdovers, that includes Almario here with the Express. They have had a lot of heartaches here in the NBL. But finally, again, the Camsur winning their maiden title here in the NBL. That was a long wait, a very long wait. That was 8 years of wait for the Camsur Express. And again, playing on the road, winning this championship against Tikas Kapampangan, who, again, nothing to be ashamed of for the Tikas Kapampangan team. They fought gallantly here. And again, congratulations to the Camsur Express, your champions of the President's Cup.
Welcome to the awarding ceremony. Let's call on Chairman Soy Mercado, VP for Basketball Operations, NBL Commissioner John Edward Aquino, and NBL Pilipinas President Ms. Rose Montreal. Welcome to the awarding ceremony. And before we go on, isang munang palakpakan para sa magkabilang koponan para series. It has been for Camsur Express and your Tikas Kapampangan. Let's start with the first runner-up, the Tikas Kapampangan, to be awarded by Chairman Soy Mercado. Our 2025 Season President's Cup first runner-up, the Tikas Kapampangan. A big round of applause for your Tikas Kapampangan for showing a great game. Once again, our first runner-up, your Tikas Kapampangan. Muli, paki-clear po yung ating playing court. Paki-usap lang po. And now, the 2025 season President's Cup champions, Kamsur Express! Aaron Tisano, Alex Lim, James Masinas, Mark Matos, Kenneth Sabio, Dan Monsalve, MJ Raton, Kyle Dumagdoy, President's Cup champions, Kamsur Express! Vinicius Molto Jr., assistant coaches Hildon Berrio, Froilan Saquillo, Nick Okray, JR Salcedo, Aymar Sabayo, Gab Lomberio, team manager John Paul Deswanco, and team governor Engineer Solomon Ngo. Once again, give it up for the 2025 season NBL President's Cup champions, Kamsur Express! To do the honor, our NBL Pilipinas President, Ms. Rose Montreal.
Papatay mo yan, oh. With the total points of 82, averaging 16.4, rebounds 24, average of 6, 7 assists, 7 steals, and 3 blocks. Our finals most valuable player is the Bicol Venom, Verman Magpantay.
Verman Magpantay. Express, congratulations to our finals MVP Verman Magpantay. Maraming salamat po. Mga minamahal naming NBL fans, we'll see you again this April for another conference of your NBL Pilipinas, ang tahanan ng tunay na homegrown.